Well, hello everybody, and welcome back to the Racing Trucker. Well, it's been about a week and a half since our last visit, and let's start off with introductions again. My name's Tony. I am the transport driver and crew member of Stephen Cameron Racing out of Sonoma, California. We race in the IMSA Michelin Pilot Challenge with a Ford Mustang GT4. So last time we were together, we were up in Canada. We got third place. There you go, third place in the race. It was a great race. And then from Canada, we trucked down to Road America in Wisconsin, and we spent 2 days there testing. So now I've been home for about a week and a half, and now I'm off back to the airport. We're going to fly to Denver, and then from Denver to Indianapolis, where the truck is. The guy spent a few days there prepping the cars, getting everything ready. So we're going to go to Indianapolis, grab the truck, and then we're going to go up to the race, which is at Road America, where we tested. So hopefully we have a good car, we have a good setup, and we're going to do well. So as always, here we go. Alrighty guys, well, that was a quick flight. Now I'm in Indianapolis. Beautiful day, it's nice and warm out. Got the truck started up, getting the AC going, and I got some packages that got delivered here I need to put inside the trailer, and then gonna get all settled in, and I think I'm gonna go to sleep for a little bit, and then get up super early, like 2 o'clock, my usual time, as you guys know, because I need to get through Chicago and Milwaukee before rush hour. I hate getting stuck in traffic. So that's the plan. Gonna open the side door here, get all these packages in here, get settled in the truck, and I'll see you guys at about 2 in the morning. Well, good morning, everybody. And just like I promised, it is 2:20 in the morning. Just got through with my pre-check, did my pre-check. Everything looks good. We're ready to roll. So assignment for today, we are headed for Road America for round 7 of the Michelin Pilot Challenge with our Mustang GT4s. So we are going to go, the reason why I'm up so early is we have to go through Chicago. Chicago is under a lot of construction right now, and the traffic just gets crazy during rush hour. So I'm going to try to make it through there nice and early, using the toll roads to avoid a little bit of traffic. And we'll stop in just south of Milwaukee, and we'll get the truck washed, fuel up the generator, and then from Milwaukee to Road America is about another hour, a little over an hour. Total time today driving is only like 5.5 hours, so it's not too bad, closer to 6 really. So that's about it for today. We'll stage at Road America and we load in tomorrow. So as always, here we go. Well, we left Indianapolis about 2:30 in the morning, and made it through Chicago before any of the traffic, so that was awesome. Milwaukee was pretty easy. Went through Milwaukee at about 7 a.m. and it was a breeze, no problems there. Did stop before Milwaukee and got the truck washed, so it's nice and clean now. And we're about half an hour from the track. So it's kind of funny, kind of early day for me. I'm going to arrive at the track by 8 o'clock. Um, the guys haven't even left San Francisco yet to fly out. So I'm going to park at the track and then I got to hang out and wait for them. They're going to fly into Chicago and then drive up. So I probably won't see them till, well, what do you got, 3 or 4 o'clock this afternoon. So I'll hang out in the truck, watch some movies or something, Netflix, whatever, and relax for the day because the next 3 days are going to be really busy. So let's continue on about half an hour more and we'll arrive at the track.
Speed limit reduced ahead. Take the first exit on the right toward Elkhart Lake.
Alrighty, well, I am parked. Arrived at Road America just in time too, because it's just starting to sprinkle, starting to rain a little bit. So I got here with dry roads, so the truck's nice and clean. So if it rains a little bit right now, no big deal. I'm parked, so that's good. So it is 8:12 in the morning, uh, 6:12 California time. I think the guys leave San Francisco Airport at like 8 o'clock in the morning. So they haven't even left California, like I was saying earlier. So I've been up since 2. I'm going to take a nap and relax, make myself something to eat, some breakfast, and chill out till they get here this afternoon. So tomorrow morning, we'll do another video. We're going to load in and get all set up, and then we'll be on track Friday and then race on Saturday. And then after that, back to Indianapolis we go. So till then, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow morning.